We had asked the district to identify the names of the prospective candidates in their respective constituencies after the blocks had sent it to them. Now I am told that the districts had meetings on 21st and 22nd, which I have not yet received, but I am sure they will be sending it. They must be doing it, tabulation and all that. The moment I get it, I will inform you. No, because the moment they send it to us, I will call the Pradesh Election Committee. We had already 2 Pradesh Election Committees, but the moment I get it in my hand, and most probably we are waiting for the Diwali, this to be over. Anytime this coming week, we will call the Pradesh Election Committee and we will inform you.
Names are finalized already?
No, how you can finalize and I can finalize. It has to come from the districts also.
But will the sitting MLAs get tickets?
See, according to me, sitting MLAs normally get the tickets. Because I had been in charge all over the country, so many states like this and all that. And there is always a preference unless until there is some problem.
Okay.
Those who wants to leave, can you stop them?
If they are leaving, let them leave.
See, I don't know, you are saying they are leaving.
They already.
See, Congress is a movement. The party doesn't belong to one individual. The party doesn't belong to me. Party belongs to the people of this country.